right, with that, staying with Uttar Pradesh, another controversial leader matters a lot in those elections. Well, the Don, so to say, Mukhtar Ansari, who threw his weight behind Congress candidate Ajay Rai in the battle for Varanasi, has been arrested yet again after being released on parole. The shocking turn of events has raised a plethora of questions over just how a person released on parole could be arrested. His party, Qawmi Ekta Dal, is crying foul over his rearrest. Within 15 hours of his freedom, he was arrested again. Ansari couldn't even reach his constituency, Mao, before being detained. Ansari was taken to Lucknow and went back. In fact, he was sent back soon after to the Agra Central Jail.
मिसबाउद्दीन साहब, अगर आपके पास आए, बहुत ही आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या है? बहुत डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है, बहुत नाराज है, खफा है कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने सही वक्त पर मुख्तार अंसारी साहब को यहाँ पे नहीं लाके बहुत ही बड़ी गलती कर दी।
बिल्कुल, जब तो दिल्ली की हाई कोर्ट में ये गए सीबीआई कोर्ट के आदेश के लिए स्टे कराने, तो दिल्ली की हाई कोर्ट ने भी निचली अदालत के आदेश को माना और इनको डांट पिलाई कि अब तक आप लोगों ने क्यों नहीं पहुंचाया, इनको तुरंत घोसी पहुंचाया जाए। तो आज सुबह इन्होंने 6 बजे सेंट्रल जेल आगरा से मुख्तार अंसारी साहब को निकाला और टीवी चैनलों पे आने लगा कि ये लोग लेकर के घोसी रवाना हो लिए। लेकिन यहाँ पे जब पब्लिक ने यहाँ की देखा, मिर्जा हादीपुर का एक मैदान है जहाँ पे लगभग 1 लाख लोग 5 बजे शाम तक इकट्ठा थे, अपने महबूब रहनुमा को इंतजार कर रहे थे, लेकिन नहीं आए। यहाँ की आवाम में गुस्सा है, गम है और इसका बदला वो 12 मई को अपना एक वोट दे करके इस सरकार से लेंगे। ये सरकार की साजिश थी।
Politics of parole, that's the way politics is being played out here in Purvanchal. Mukhtar Ansari's last day to campaign and he couldn't make it to Ghosi. We were joined by the people, the party workers who were a disappointed lot, a lot of them crying conspiracy by the Samajwadi Party who did not allow him to be released in time, talking about how forces are not there in place for him to be released. But now we are given to understand that even as he was being brought over here, at 6 p.m. the authorities turned the cars around, took him to Lucknow and lodged him in the Lucknow jail, saying that there wasn't enough time for them to reach over here. Over 14 hours of travel, yet Mukhtar Ansari couldn't make it to Mau, to Ghosi constituency, where he was supposed to campaign the last day of campaigning. But that was not to really happen. With video journalist Imran Abbas in Ghosi, Geeta Mohan for News.